Hello, hi, my dear ones. How are you all? Hope you're all doing well and safe at home. I'm one of your Hindi teacher and my name is Reggie Suresh. So let's start today's class. Today we are going to learn lesson number 4. Lesson number 4 it is the Matra Parijay of U and O. So today we are going to learn some words with U and U and some sentences also. Okay. U and U. So before that we have to learn the symbols. You already learned in the previous classes. In the previous standard you learned. So the consonant with matra. K plus What is U ki matra? U ki matra is like this, isn't it? Under the letter like this. U. K plus U. That is ku. How will you write the mass symbol? Like this. This is ku. Ku. Chu. 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 Gu. Gu. Gu plus U. Gu. And when U ki matra is added, it is gu. Sh plus U. Shu. Then shu. Nu. Nu. These three letters they already have a standing length. That's why I am teaching you this one. Okay, you know this. Ku, ku. So this is Iki matra and this is Uki matra. This is Uki matra and this is Uki matra. Ku, ku, chu, chu, gu, gu, shu, shu, nu, nu. Okay. Now let's read some words. Words with U and U. That's wrong. It is U and U. Okay. U and U. Gudiya. Here it is Uki matra. Gudiya. Here chudi. These are the words with Uki matra. Gudiya. Gulal. Surahi. Pul. Madhur. Gulam. Sut. Kudiya. These are Uki matra. Chudi. Alu. Suraj. Fool. Dhoop. Bhalu. Sooth. Coot. These are the words only to understand the matras, not for studying. Just go through the words. It is to improve your reading. Once more. U. Uki matra. Gudiya. Selam. Gudiya. Gulal. Surahi. No need to learn the meaning and all. Just read it. Surahi. Pul. Madhur. Gulab. Sut. Kutiya. Uki matra. Chudi. Alu. Suraj. Fool. Dhoop. Bhalu. Sooth. Coot. So Uki matra is like this and then Uiki matra is like this. Okay. Now let's study some words with Uki matra. Gudiya. Gudiya. What is this? This is a doll. Gudiya. Usually girl doll is called Gudiya. Gudiya. Gudiya means doll. Gudiya means doll. Gudiya. Doll. And this is chair. What is the Hindi word for chair? Kursi. Kursi. What is it? Kursi. Chair. Hindi word kursi. Gudiya. Doll. Kursi means chair. Chair. Gudiya. Kursi. Then, what is this? Tortoise. Hindi word for tortoise is kachua. 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 Tortoise. Tortoise. Kachua. Kachua. Tortoise. What is this? Pigeon. Kabutar. Kabutar. Pigeon. Kabutar. Pigeon. And what is this? You know. What is this? Saw. What is the Hindi word for saw? Sabun. Sabun. Saw. Kachua. Tortoise. Kabutar. Pigeon. Sabun. Saw. One more time. Gudiya. Doll. Kursi. Chair. Kachua. Tortoise. Kabutar. Pigeon. Sabun. Saw. Okay. Then we have to learn some sentences. Try to read. Pooja चूड़ी पहनती थी. पूजा चूड़ी पहनती थी. पूजा चूड़ी पहनती थी. चूड़ी मीन्स बैंगल. चूड़ी बैंगल. पूजा wore bangles. Pooja used to wear bangles. Pooja chudi pencil. You can see a beautiful hand with full of colorful bangles. Pooja chudi pehanti thi. Kaun chudi? So from this lesson onwards, you have to study simple sentences. Okay, you have to study simple sentences. So Pooja chudi pehanti thi. Before that, you have to be aware about the interrogative words. Kaun and kya. Kaun means who and kya means what. These two words you have to learn. Kaun, who and kya, what. Kaun chudi pehanti thi. Who used to wear bangles? Pooja. The answer is Pooja. Pooja chudi pehanti thi. Kaun chudi pehanti thi? Say. पूजा चूड़ी पहनती थी. पूजा चूड़ी पहनती थी. भालू का नाम राम था. भालू मीन्स bear. भालू का नाम राम था. भालू का नाम राम था. The name of the bear was Ramu. भालू का नाम राम था. भालू का नाम क्या था? What was the name? भालू का नाम क्या था? भालू का नाम राम था. भालू का नाम क्या था? राम था. भालू का नाम राम था. भालू का नाम क्या था? भालू का नाम रामू था. कौन चूड़ी पहनती थी? पूजा चूड़ी पहनती थी. So repeat the sentence. Say along with me. पूजा चूड़ी पहनती थी. पूजा चूड़ी पहनती थी. भालू का नाम राम था. Repeat. भालू का नाम राम था. भालू का क्या नाम था? भालू का नाम राम था. Very good. Then this is a dancing doll. So doll is dancing, है ना? गुड़िया नाच दिखाती थी. गुड़िया नाच दिखाती थी. The doll used to show dancing. She showed dancing or she danced. गुड़िया नाच दिखाती थी. गुड़िया नाच दिखाती थी. कौन नाच दिखाती थी? Who used to dance? The doll. गुड़िया नाच दिखाती थी. कौन नाच दिखाती थी? गुड़िया नाच दिखाती थी. कौन नाच दिखाती थी? कौन नाच दिखाती थी? गुड़िया नाच दिखाती थी. चूहा नदी में गिर गया. चूहा, ऊ की मात्रा. चूहा मीन्स रैट. चूहा नदी में गिर गया. चूहा नदी में गिर गया. नदी मीन्स रिवर. The rat fell into the river. The rat fell into the river. चूहा नदी में गिर गया. कौन नदी में गिर गया? कौन नदी में गिर गया? Who fell? Who fall? The rat. चूहा नदी में गिर गया. कौन नदी में गिर गया? चूहा नदी में गिर गया. कौन नाच दिखाती थी? गुड़िया नाच दिखाती थी. वेरी गुड. कौन नदी में गिर गया? चूहा. वेरी गुड. चूहा नदी में गिर गया. So let's read the words one more time. गुड़िया doll. कुर्सी chair. कछुआ tortoise. कबूतर pigeon. साबुन soap. And sentences. पूजा चूड़ी पहनती थी. पूजा चूड़ी पहनती थी. भालू का नाम राम था. भालू का नाम राम था. गुड़िया नाच दिखाती थी. कौन नाच दिखाती थी? गुड़िया नाच दिखाती थी. चूहा नदी में गिर गया. कौन नदी में गिर गया? चूहा नदी में गिर गया. And you have to learn the plurals. In the last lesson you already learned some plurals. Here also you have to learn some plurals. Before that you have to be aware about the usage of singular and plural. This is a picture of a girl. Hindi word for girl is ladki. Ladki. And this is girls. Then the word is ladkiyan. So the ladki will change into ladkiya when we make the plural form of ladki. Then ladki usually we ladki means the matra is, this iki matra. It is iki matra. When we change it into plural, it will be iki matra. Ladki, ladkiyan. Ladki, then this key will change into ladkiyan. Ladki, ladkiyan. So, vah means that. That is a girl. That is a girl. That is a girl. Vah ladki hai. Usually, when we begin a sentence using vah, we add hai at the end. Hai is singular. Hai is used with the singular only. Vah ek ladki hai. She is a girl. She is a girl. So when we begin a sentence with vah, Usually we add hai at the end. Vah. Then what will we add at the end? Hai. Then वे लड़कियां हैं. वे means those are girls. Those are girls. This is the plural those. And we add haim at the end. When we begin a sentence using we, that is the plural form, we will add haim at the end. वह लड़की है, वे लड़कियां, haim, that is a dot, isn't it? There is a dot, haim. So what is the plural form? लड़की, लड़कियां, लड़की, लड़कियां. When we begin a sentence using vah, we should add hai at the end. वह आम है, वह लड़का है, वह लड़की है, वह अनार है. When we begin a sentence using वे, that is a plural, we have to add haim at the end. वे लड़के हैं. लड़के you learned in the previous lesson, isn't it? वे लड़के हैं, वे लड़कियां हैं, वे मछलियां हैं. Those are fishes. Okay. Again, kursi. 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 The plural form is kursiyan. The e ki matra will change into iki matra. Kursi, kursiyan. वह एक कुर्सी है. वह at the end what we usually add है at the end. And वे कुर्सियां हैं. Those are chairs. When I begin a sentence using वे, we have to add haim at the end. So kursi, what is the plural form of kursi? Kursi, kursiyan. Kursi, kursiyan. Chudi. Beautiful. Chudi. What is the meaning chudi? Bangles. Chudi, plural form, chudiyam. Then iki matra will change into iki matra. Chudi, chudi. Then iki matra will change into iki matra. Chudiyam. Chudi, chudiyam. Then यह एक चूड़ी है. This is a bangle. This is a bangle. यही is also singular. Like वह. When we begin a sentence using यह, what we have to add at the end is है. यह लड़का है, यह लड़की है, यह चूड़ी है, यह मछली है. All the singular we can use this. यह means this. This is a bangle. This is a bangle. ये चूड़ियां हैं. These are bangles. The plural of यह is ये. ये is the plural of ये. Here, then we add haim at the end. When I begin a sentence using ye, that is, we already told, when we begin a sentence using ve, we have to add haim at the end. The same way, when we begin a sentence using ye, we have to add haim. That means, वह लड़का है, यह लड़का है. This is a boy, that is a boy. वे लड़के हैं. Those are boys. ये लड़के हैं. These are boys. Then one more word. चूहा. चूहा, चूहे. Rat, rats. Then here also a, then a. चूहा, चूहे. यह चूहा है. When we begin a sentence with यह, है at the end, then ये चूहे हैं. ये चूहे हैं. These are rats. चूहा, चूहे. One more time. लड़की, लड़कियां. कुर्सी, कुर्सियां. चूड़ी चूड़ियां, चूहा चूहे. Then meanings: कछुआ tortoise, कबूतर pigeon, कुर्सी chair, गुड़िया doll, साबुन soap. कछुआ tortoise, कबूतर pigeon, कुर्सी chair, गुड़िया doll, साबुन soap. Then do you remember that sentences? So you have to say the answer. कौन नाच दिखाता था? कौन नाच दिखाता था? हाँ, very good. गुड़िया नाच दिखाती थी. गुड़िया नाच दिखाती थी. गुड़िया नाच दिखाती थी. कौन चूड़ी पहनती थी? कौन चूड़ी पहनती थी? हाँ, वेरी गुड. पूजा चूड़ी पहनती थी. कौन चूड़ी पहनती थी? पूजा चूड़ी पहनती थी. भालू का नाम क्या था? भालू का नाम क्या था? हाँ, वेरी गुड. राम. भालू का नाम राम था. Only you have to learn a word as the answer. भालू का नाम क्या था? भालू का नाम राम था. कौन नदी में गिर गया? Who fell into the river? चूहा. वेरी गुड. चूहा नदी में गिर गया. These are the sentences you learn. गुड़िया नाच दिखाती थी. पूजा चूड़ी पहनती थी. भालू का नाम राम था. चूहा नदी में गिर गया. And you have to choose the correct letter. Ka dash a. Which letter is correct? Chu. Second one. Kachua. Kachua. Gu dash ya. Which D? Gudiya. Kachua. Gudiya. Then third one. Sabun. Sabun. Then ka bu dash ra. Kabutar. Kabutar. Then next one. Ku dash. Kursi. One more. Once more. Kabutar. Kachua. Gudiya. Sabun. Kabutar. Kursi. Then this is an assignment for you. Identify this exercise is given in your textbook, page number 18, exercise number 5. Some pictures are given. You have to identify the picture and pick out the word from the column and write. Okay, do it in the textbook only. Identify the picture and write the Hindi word in the given columns. Then some columns are given, so you have to write in the given columns. And the second one is fill in the blanks choosing the right word from the bracket that you learned recently, that is the singular and using यह, ये, है, hai, you have to fill. यह एक लड़का, try to say है. यह एक लड़का यह एक लड़का है. डैश लड़के हैं. डैश लड़के हैं. What is the plural of this? ये लड़के हैं. Only ये is there. ये लड़के हैं. यह एक कुर्सी है. डैश कुर्सियां हैं. यह और ये एक कुर्सियां हैं. डैश एक लड़की है. एक लड़की, वन गर्ल. यह और यह एक लड़की है. ये लड़कियां है और है. वेरी गुड. हाय. ये लड़कियां. डैश एक मछली है. ये है एक मछली और ये एक मछली, ये है सिंगुलर, सो ये एक मछली है और ये मछलियां है और हाई, हाई, ये मछलियां हाई. So this is the assignment. This one you have to write in the notebook. This one in the textbook. Okay. Hope you understood. So stay safe and happy.